Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I believe is the fastest, easiest college degree on the planet that's actually worth your time, and that is business management or business administration management or Bachelor of Science in Management. Different schools have different structures, but these business degrees can be earned really quickly. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months for an entire bachelor's degree. That's insane. I'm going to walk through how to do this. I'm going to show you different schools and programs for these degrees so that you can go get these degrees quickly if business management is something that you're interested in. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Ryan. I earned a bachelor's degree in just 9 months, and now I help people earn college degrees faster. If you want my help earning a college degree faster, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. But let's dive in to the fastest degree on the planet that I think is worth your while. Now, the first thing I want to walk through is some numbers here, okay? We're going to go to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, and we're going to talk about how much money you can make with a business degree. Now, the reason I like looking at numbers is because there are other degrees out there that are really fast, and the numbers just don't add up, and income levels are actually pretty similar to if you didn't have a degree at all. And in my mind, if I'm going to go get a college degree, I want to make money. I want to get a better job, and I want to get into a job that makes me happy, and I want to advance my career. And that's, for me, the reason I went to college. And I know some people out there have different reasons, but if your reason is to get a better job, this might be the easiest degree out there that's going to get you an actually decent pay raise. Now, if we look here in their occupational handbook, and remember, this is the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, these numbers and this data is coming from our taxes, and that means it's pretty accurate. The government knows how much money we make because we have to pay taxes. So if we look here, there are over 13 million jobs out there that want you to have a business degree. That's a ton of jobs, and that's one thing I like about business degrees. Next, median annual wage is $75,000 a year. Now, please keep in mind, this includes people that are unemployed. This includes people who have really bad jobs. This includes a whole number of people. So when I see a number like this, my expectation personally is to make a lot more than this, but having this be a median when other fast degrees have a median of like $60,000, $65,000, sometimes even less than that, this is a pretty good sign. Now, if you want to make higher than this, I'm going to show you some higher numbers in just a second. But a few more things I'd like to point out is that 12% of people have only part-time jobs. That means like 88% of people are employed full-time with business degrees. That's really good. A lot of majors are much lower than that. And only about a fourth of people need a master's degree or higher. So you got like a 75% chance you're going to get a decent job without a master's degree. Having said that, you can go get a master's degree to get a better job really, really quickly. Now, if we look at jobs, okay, lots of management occupations with people with business degrees. The good news with this, I'm going to show you some more numbers. People who actually get business management degrees and go into management are going to make more money. If we look at management occupations, same data, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, you're going to see a whole bunch of management positions, the most common management positions out there. You're going to see bachelor's degree or entry-level education as a bachelor's degree, and you're going to see much bigger numbers here. Lots of six-figure plus opportunities if you get a business management degree and actually go into management. Now, something else I like about business degrees is they're really easy to specialize. Let's say you want to work in HR or in finance or in accounting or in marketing or a number of other specializations. Business is probably the easiest degree to specialize in. So if you have a specific type of job that you want to get that's related to business, you can often specialize without a ton of added effort. Now, when earning these college degrees really quickly, like I said, you can earn them fast, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. You have to structure things a little bit differently. You can't go to school and sit in classrooms and do homework assignments and read textbooks, or it's going to take you longer. You have to take a different approach to earning the college degree. Now, this approach, I call it degree hacking, and essentially you're testing out of your college classes and you're attending online self-paced programs. My personal favorites are called competency-based education programs, which essentially means you can test out of your classes. You can gain the knowledge, learn on your own, prove to the school you've gained the knowledge, and you can earn these degrees a lot faster. The cap is how fast you can learn, not the school's timeline, and that's what makes all the difference. I want to walk you through really quickly 10 different programs for business management degrees that can all be earned in 12 months or less. Now, I'm going to go really fast. So what you're going to need to do if you want to save these, take screenshots along the way so you don't have to come back and watch this video again. The first school I want to show you, and this is one of my favorites, is called Western Governors University. Their programs are fully self-paced. They have these bachelor's degrees here in business. And as you can see, this business management degree is your core business degree, but you can specialize in a whole bunch of different things. As you can see, marketing, healthcare admin, communications, accounting. There are a number of options to choose from, and I've seen these degrees earned as quickly as 3 months. Next, I want to show you a school called University of Massachusetts Global. If we go to their academic programs, filter for programs, what you want to do is you want to set this filter where it says ways to learn. You don't want all online programs. You want to filter for online self-paced programs. These are called their MyPath programs. And as you can see, they have a general business administration degree right here. This happens to be one of the cheapest schools I've ever seen in my life if you can graduate quickly. It's like $3,200 every 6 months. If you go get your bachelor's degree in 6 months, $3,200 for a bachelor's degree is really crazy. Next on the list is called Purdue University Global, or Purdue Global. If we go to their degree programs and business, what you can see here is that they offer these Bachelor of Science in Business Administration programs, but they also offer these Excel Track Bachelor of Science in Business Administration programs. These Excel Track programs are fully self-paced and can be earned really quickly. So if you want the Purdue name, Purdue Global can be a good option for you. Next on the list is University of Maine at Presque Isle and their Your Pace programs. If we go to their academic programs, you're going to see here that they have business administration, and that's a BBA, a Bachelor of Business Administration. This is fully self-paced. If you like writing essays instead of taking multiple choice exams, this is a more essay-heavy business degree. So if that's your strength, this might be a good choice for you. On top of that, we have Capella University. If we go to their degree programs, I'm going to show you what to look for. We'll go to their BS in business. You're going to look for one key word. If we scroll down on this business page, you are looking for right here, FlexPath. This FlexPath program here is fully self-paced. Now, similar, Walden University has what are called their Tempo Learning programs. If we go down here, look at programs offered, as you can see here, they have this BS of Business Administration. Next on the list, I think this school's really cool. It's University of Wisconsin, and they have what are called their flexible option programs. If we filter through programs here, as you can see, they have this business administration degree. It's fully online and fully self-paced and gets you a degree with the University of Wisconsin on it, and that's a really respectable school. Next on the list is Southern New Hampshire University, but you have to enroll through their community partnerships if you want to go through their self-paced programs. As you can see here, they have this Bachelor of Arts in Management. This is like your core management degree. It doesn't say business on it, it says management, but it's really, really similar. It's almost the same thing. But you have to enroll through what are called their community partnerships, and essentially they're mapped out here in this picture. You enroll through one of these programs, and it's essentially like a tutoring service that helps you through your degree, but you enroll through one of these, and it's a fully self-paced degree that can be earned a lot faster than if you're just enrolled through SNHU's traditional programs. Next on the list is called South College. South College has been around for a really long time. They have brick and mortar campuses that are very historical. Like I said, they've been around for a long time, have a good reputation. They have these new online competency-based education programs. If we click here, select areas of interest. Now, this is business. I wanted to show you this. Even though they don't have bachelor's degrees in business, they have this MBA executive program, which is really cool. Specialized executive programs are pretty hard to find. You can't find them in the self-paced formats. They have one here at South College. And then they have a Doctor of Business Administration, a DBA. That's really, really rare. If you want a Doctor of Business Administration, South College is the place to look. Now, once you find these programs, that doesn't mean you're done. You don't just go to these schools and go to these programs and automatically graduate in months instead of years, because they're structured similarly to traditional schooling. As you're familiar with, there's homework assignments and textbooks and lesson plans and study guides and teachers giving lectures and all that stuff. Well, here's the thing. We live in a new day and age where technology makes it easier to learn. We can learn with AI. We can learn through YouTube videos. Essentially, what you're going to do is, instead of using the school's resources for learning, you're going to figure out what you need to learn, and you're going to learn it using modern resources. You're still going to learn it. You're still going to put that information in your brain, and you're going to learn it the right way, but you don't have to use the traditional homework textbook approach to do the learning. That's what this channel is all about. Like and subscribe if you're interested. And if you want my help doing this, I'll leave some links down below in the video description. But don't do it the school's way. Do it your own way, and you're going to graduate faster. I hope this video has added value to your day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.